Shine bright up all night, whenever slow.
Ang mukha ng galing trabaho and then right after work, chilling with desperados, right, Che? Ayan na. I don't know. Your husband will see this video, so you need to.
Last time, no, we went to the Winkle.
Yeah, she had.
And one grandchild.
Already.
Really? She's already Oma.
Yeah.
I'm Oma.
She's a grandma already.
I think she
Yeah, bros.
Happy weekend.
Oh,
So scatter.
oh wow. Mida. Oh. Lekker.
Buy one expect ko. Oh, this is also new.
Yeah.
One glass and take it one. Grabe naman magbuhos, puro bula.
Hala. Oh my God. Blythe there as she believe.
Wait. Don't put now.
Oh my God. How? Stop there. Stop. Exact stop.
If you put this also, no?
Very good. Be obedient, yeah?
Be obedient.
Here dun. Pros. Op, with vacant. Lekker. Fine na, Feliz. Oh, ano naman that? Feliz weekend. Woo! Because we are beautiful. Pros. Beautiful. Woo! Pros beautiful. Libre. Oh, wow. That lekker out. Thank you, Vel, Sela.
Beer for me, please.
Sela, thank you, Vel. The Mr. Audi. Yan ang libre sa amin, oh. Koleka namin. Wow.
One more beer for me.
Oh my God, Birchie. And I said, if someone give you something. Bye, Sela. Okay. Bye, Sela. Che, what is your reaction, Che? What is your reaction? I love you, Sela. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at our face. What if you could dance here?
But today he didn't come for work, right?
Huh?
Yeah, he was there.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see him today.
Sela. Sela is the girlfriend is already here.
Where?
They are already living together because the girlfriend before is living in Germany.
But he had this
German.
right?
No, she is Thais.
Oh.
But the mother is married with a German.
Oh.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
Okay, damas. Kijk de kip.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4. Op Sela, pros. Thank you, Marcela. No, it's okay. No.
May weekend mo sa for my ano.
What a kuya weekend for you.